Hi guys, and welcome back to another Paywall.com tutorial. Today I'm very excited to exhibit one of our brand new features that is called the multi-link paywall. So if you think about paywalls, traditionally you would have your user sign up to the paywall, pay, and then they'll be taken to one link. This now, a user can come to your paywall, sign in, pay, and they'll be taken to a page that stores multiple links of yours. So if you imagine Linktree, where you can store all your links, all the different parts of your course, any extracurricular course items you want to post, you can have that there. It's a place where you can put as much links as you want behind the paywall. So really exciting stuff. And we also have the added new feature of the piracy protection, which I've just gone over in a previous video. So really exciting stuff. I look forward to showcasing this in this video today. So let's jump in. Here you can see we're at our dashboard. You will notice here this new paywall is called multi-link. And so how we create this multi-link is by clicking create paywall, and instead of the standard paywall, which we are accustomed to here, we are going to actually click multi-link paywall. So let's click that. And as you can see here, all your standard stuff, you can put your URL name, you can link to one of your products that you've created here, and then you can add several links. So this is link 1, title, thumbnail, you can upload your thumbnail here, and the destination URL, success URL. You can add as many links as you want. So you can see here, the links just keep going on and on. And also you can piracy protect specific links as well. So if you want one link to be piracy protected and the other not, you have the power to do that there. Also, there's some special theme customization you have for it, and I'll go over this in more detail in a second here. All right, so this is a multi-link that I've created earlier. All right, so let's jump in and see what this looks like. All right, so you can see there's multiple links here. Let's say I don't like this color here. I want to change it. So let's go back here and click edit. Now this is the multi-link page editor. So what this is going to do is edit the content of this page. First, you can see the details here. So we can go ahead and change the slug, make sure the product is correct that you want to add. What this is the price to pay to enter this page. Just so there's no confusion there. The content, so you can say Alan's private course, say course links, the secret group to wealth creation. Let's just call it the secret to wealth creation. Okay, so you could change all these things. Your links here, these are the links that you've created. So you could just go ahead and let's say you want to upload a different thumbnail image for that. You can change the destination URL, and you could put the piracy protection like I mentioned earlier. You can also sort the order of these. So if I want to move this down, I can move that down. If I want to add another link, I have the ability to add another link here, and you can just keep adding as much links as you want. And also this is the preview page here that shows you a preview of what it looks like. All right, so we saved those changes. First of all, I'll show you the paywall theme. So this paywall theme is for the paywall of this multi-link page. So you can see here, this is similar to a regular paywall theme builder. You can do as much as you want here, take off things, change the color, all that good stuff. And now here we have something new. This is the multi-link theme builder. So if we click multi-link theme, now we can actually customize the exact look and feel of the actual multi-link page. So let's say we want to change the card background to black, let's say. Background color, we want to change that to black. You can also change the font as well of the look and feel there. You can also change the look, so you can have a 2-column grid like this, or a single column. You have the ability to upload a background image as well. And then with the background image there, you can change it fill or the actual size. Anything you want, you can do there. Image position, you can also kind of lessen the opacity there as well. And then on the contact page here, you can add your contact email, website, and all your social media links. They'll be hosted right here at the bottom. All right, so let's save this theme. All right, so let's take a look at our multi-link paywall and see how it looks. So you can see here, this is the paywall, just like before. I'm gonna log in now as a member. And here you can see the multi-link paywall. So you can see I'm signed in as this email here, access has been granted, and you can add as much links as you want. Now, one key distinction here is if we just click on this link, you'll see it's taking us to our success URL, and no problem. But if we click now on this protected view, you will see that it has the protected content view, which has this watermark on it to deter people from taking screenshots and screen recordings and all that stuff. So it's just one of those things. If you wanted that extra security, you now have it there at Paywall.com. Awesome, so that wraps up the showcase of the multi-link paywall. I hope you've enjoyed yourself, and of course, any questions you have, I'm more than happy to answer. Just leave a comment down below. Peace.
Paywall. Monetize anything.